Hey there. I haven't been making a lot of woodworking videos lately. I've been pretty busy with a lot of projects and none of them really were worth making videos about. But I did get this new blue spruce chisel and I thought I'd do a box opening with this. I've never done a video like this. I actually bought this a couple months ago, I think, and it's just been sitting in my shop. I've been too busy to open it up, so I figured I'd open it up. There's not a ton of videos on these types of chisels. So this Blue Spruce company is based out of Ohio, and I've heard a lot about them on forums and on Reddit with people talking about chisels. So I ended up getting one. This was about $120, and they're actually made to order. So I think it took about a month, but the website advertises 4 to 6 weeks to get one of these. And this is a really pretty chisel. Definitely the prettiest chisel that I own. I've got a set of Narex, and the only other really nice chisel that I have is actually this Veritas chisel from Lee Valley. And this is a nice chisel, but I haven't used it a ton yet. It definitely needs some work, and the edges are really sharp here. But this is a really nice chisel too. I'll just have to do some work to that. So this is an 1.5 inch butt chisel, about 38 millimeters, I think. And so the handle here is maple. I think it's resin infused. You can also get cocobolo, but I actually like the maple a little more, so I decided not to do that. I think the cocobolo is a little more expensive as well. I did order this small butt chisel. I think on the website it's advertised as small butt B, and I think it's supposed to. The website says the standard size is 6.5 inches, but this looks like it's about 6 1/4, maybe 6 3/8. So there may be very little variation between the two, but anyway, if you order the small, that's about the size it will be. The fit and finish on this is actually really nice. So this is A2 steel, tool steel. The website says it's heat treated, double tempered, cryogenically treated. The hardness on the Rockwell scale is 60 to 62, and it's lapped. I don't know if you can see that focus there. The back is polished. Flatness is also measured with light bands, they say, and so it's the same system used for silicon wafers. They said their tolerance is to the 10,000ths of an inch, so you're not going to need to flatten this back ever. And yeah, this is a really pretty chisel, and so you should be able to use this right out of the box. The primary bevel here is 25 degrees and a 5-degree micro bevel, and it should be razor sharp and ready to go. But yeah, the fit and finish on this, let's get a close-up of this. So you can see the size difference between these two here, and this is just a really pretty chisel. They've got their little insignia there. Fit and finish is fantastic. The handle feels really nice. As you can see, that nice polished back, the bevels. These sides too aren't too sharp, they're nice and rounded. And let's see an exact size here. Looks more like 6 3/8 to me. So for the small butt, 6 3/8. For the full length, it really feels nice in the hands. Excited to get to use this. It's going to be nice in the collection. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful for anybody looking at the Blue Spruce custom chisels. If you're looking into one, definitely recommend if you have the money. Thanks for watching.